Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to use Bing AI image generator. So first of all, if you want to open up the image generator, you want to go here on Google and search for Bing AI image generator. So we should type right here on the search box, Bing AI image generator, and then tap on enter. And you just need to click on the first link right here, image creator, and you will go here on this page. As you can see, create images from words with AI. So here, as you can see, image creator generates AI image based on your text. So you just need to type right here any words or text to describe what you would like to create an image, and then it will generate some images. So here, for example, I want to type right here, a mountain with a sunset view. And once you've done here, just click on this join and create, and you will go here on the next page where you need to sign in your Microsoft account. Now once you sign in your account, you will go here on this page. As you can see, now the text here is now currently generating an image. And as you can see, please wait, your images are currently in progress. Check back later to see if your image are ready. So while you wait, get inspiration for your next image description on the Bing image creator. And finally here, as you can see, we have 4 results from the generated image. Now if you click on this one, as you can see, we have a high quality image that you can download. So you have 4 choices here, and you can download all 4 images here for free. And here, as you can see, I have 15 booster, so create images more quickly with boost. So if you run out, image generation may take longer. So you just need to keep that booster right there. Now as you can see on the right side of your screen, you'll find reason. So you'll find here all the recent generated image. Now if you want to download on the image, just click on that. And here on the right side, you'll find a download button. So you're gonna click on this download button here. And if you go to that image, you can see we have the generated image. So that's how you basically use the Bing AI image generator. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.